Congratulations, guys. I'm about to give you $15,000 in the next 15 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. You can make $15,000 in the next 15 minutes right on this secret page. And no, I don't want anything for it. What I'm about to give you is free. Absolutely free. Yes, you heard me right. 100% free. I can make over $15,000 over and over at the press of a button, and I'm about to show you how you can do it too. And within the next few minutes, you'll be able to make $15,000 every 15 minutes too, just like I do. But first of all, you must promise that you will not share this with anybody else, because this is extremely powerful and never seen before system that can make you rich overnight. Now, this is not just for everybody, so you came across something new that nobody else knows about. So you must pay close attention, because this page won't be here for too long. But remember, you need to keep this for yourself. What I'm about to show you is absolutely top secret. So if you're the kind of guy that can keep his mouth shut in exchange for $15,000 in cash at the push of a button over and over again, well, then well done. You qualify. You're in. I'm not going to show this to anybody else ever again, so pay close attention, because what I'm about to show you is going to make you rich, filthy rich. Now, what I've come across is something incredibly powerful, yet 100% ethical and legal. And I've fully automated my discovery so that I can literally press one single button and make $15,000 in 15 minutes. This powerful app I've created is here for me and now you to be used at any time we want. Wow! And you'll be able to use it for free today, absolutely free. And I don't want your money, guys. I don't need your money. Remember, I make millions of dollars. The last thing I need is to take your hard-earned cash out of your pocket. Now, that wouldn't make any sense when I can press a single button on my secret app and get paid over $15,000 over and over again. So check this out. Now, because I'm here to help you, let's go for it right now. Look at this. Now, I'm able to use this software I'm giving you today for free on this page to make trades in a little-known market that nobody is paying attention to right now. Now, while everybody else is busy wasting their money in markets that are easily controlled and manipulated by Wall Street, I'm laughing all the way to the bank at the speed of light and generate $15,000 paydays within 1 minute. Now, I know you might not believe me. My own family didn't believe me either, and they kept asking, where's all that money suddenly coming from? So let me open a brand new account right now, guys, in front of your eyes, and I'll demonstrate it live for you right now. Now, this is what you'll be doing for yourself in the next few minutes. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do, and don't worry if you know nothing about trading or making any money online. You don't need any trading or computer skills at all. It just doesn't matter. I automated this system, and I'm going to share it with you today, so you don't need to spend any more than about a minute per day on this. And again, you don't need to give me a single cent for it. So let's do it together right now. Now, the reason nobody has ever shown you anything like this before is because nobody knows of any method even remotely close to what I've created. Now, check this out. I know it sounds too crazy to be true, guys, but check this out. Now, I'm even showing this live in front of your eyes, and I'm even going to time this for you. Now, look at the counter right here. Now, we'll stop in 15 minutes, and you're going to see is going to leave you absolutely speechless, because nobody else knows how to do this. Nobody has ever accessed this type of system. I opened a brand new broker account with only $250 in it, and I'll show anybody that can do this. No matter if you have a little bit of money, no experience whatsoever, all you need to do is press one single button to unleash this power. So watch out as I refresh my browser right now so you can see how quickly the money is growing in this brand new account. Now, that's just from $250. That's it, in just 15 minutes. So cheer up, my friends, because you're about to take home some huge cash too. The money is ready for you right now, right on this secret members page. But first of all, who am I? Well, my name's Phil Harris, guys, and yes, you can imagine from what I've just shown you, I am rich, very rich. So just take a look at this right here. I just want to quickly log on to two of my bank accounts that I opened less than 1 year ago, and each one of them I've deposited money that I can make for my secret software on this secret page. Now, in the first account, you can see there's over $23,522,975 in it. This is the money I've been withdrawing from the trusted broker that I use for my system during the last year. In this other account, there's money that I've been withdrawing from another account where I plugged my software into. Now, once I found out how much money I could make from my system, I found out a way to automate the whole thing by developing this software right here, guys. And I went ahead and opened another account to double my profits. In this one, you can see over $22,622,281 in it. It's crazy, isn't it? Now, as you can see, the software has been making about the same profits on this other account too. Now, it works pretty much the same on any account, including yours. Now, I've tweaked and refined the system down to the teeth, and you can expect the same type of results on any of the accounts. No matter how small, how big your deposit is, heck, I don't know, but I don't like to risk my own money, so I just made the system to work with just the minimum amount required by my trusted broker to open the account with. That's it, just $250. That's all I ever invested. All my accounts started out with the same amount. The one you see updated live on this page, the one that I just opened to show you in the software in action, the ones I plugged into the bank accounts, I've shown you before. Now, I'm sure this will be the first time you've ever heard about this, and I think I've been flying under the radar far too long. I make a lot of money and enjoy my life to the fullest. I don't need any more exposure. I'm not doing this to brag or try to rub people's noses in my success at making crazy amounts of money. Actually, this is the first time I decided to open the doors to my secret app, and I have a very good reason for this. Please pay close attention because nobody out there knows about this system, and I use it, and that's why it's easy and it works every single time. Now, you're the first outsider to be let in to this very special secret. And in case you were wondering, this has nothing to do with traditional Forex or stocks or penny stocks or options or any of that kind of trading stuff you've heard before. You might have tried some of those and failed. And I'm not surprised, guys, and I've seen all sort of useless systems being pitched all over the internet. They have nothing to do with this whatsoever, guys. It's completely different. So forget everything you've learned about in the past. Forget everything you've tried before. There is nothing like this out there, period. Now, the way this system works is completely different, and this is why I kept a very close guarded secret. Now, I cannot disclose the very minute specific details of exactly how the system works. The last thing I want is for people to reverse engineer it and dilute its profits. Now, the system is what made me a multi-millionaire overnight. So the last thing I want is to open it up to the general public. Now, this is, why I've never shared it before, and I would never sell it, not at any price. Now, I'm sure I could sell access to this system for over $10,000 a copy, but it's just not worth it for me. Now, you're one of the few people who's going to get a chance here today to get it for free. Now, as long as you keep it a secret for us so we can make money for years and years to come. Now, because there's only 4 other people I've shared this system with before, and mind you, they're all members of my family. Now, after they suddenly started to see me making so much money overnight and going from broke to owning 8 luxury supercars and my new $12 million mansion, they obviously wanted to know how I did it. Yes, this is my house, and this is my garage. I don't know you, but I love supercars. It's a nice way to pamper yourself and with all the things you love. So about my family. Well, at first, they didn't believe me. None of them did. My brother Mark, my wife Mary, my sister Jennifer, even my own dad did not believe me. So I had to show them. These guys no longer need a job or income as I can take care of all of them now. But they still wanted to see my software in action. So as I said myself, what the heck? They're my family. Why not share it with them? So I made them deposit a mere $250 into the same broker that I've been using for my own trading accounts, a trusted one that is guaranteed to pay them fast, and I plug my system into their account and take a look at these results. The system made money for all of them, just like it did for me time and time again, $15,000 within 15 minutes. I cannot even explain the face on them when they saw exactly what I'm showing you here right now. each one of them made over $15,000 just like I told them. And of course, after they've seen it, they're now using the software every single day, and they're on the fast track to becoming millionaires overnight. And I'm excited for you too. You're about to be next. Now, by the way, in case you were wondering, I'm also posting this page, third-party verified live stats updated in real time to one of my accounts with the software in action, so everything is crystal clear, guys. The software works, and it's 100% ethical and legal, so I have nothing to hide. And now, let me just give you a sneak peek to what the secret software is capable of. I want to show you one of my trading accounts at the very same time. You will see it running live right here in front of your eyes, the software live in action. Now you see this? There's $15,000 in profitable trades made over and over again. Now that's what's really amazing, and the reason why I know people accessing my automated system can easily become millionaires too. It's because this special software uses a very unique trading algorithm that allows the profits to keep coming in steadily as the months go by. Now I just push the buttons once a day and the money comes in. Every day. 1 a minute work. That's all it takes. Yes, I know. I almost feel guilty making all these millions per month, but listen, with a minute's work, this is one of the reasons why after sharing it with my family, I feel the need to help a few other people. Now, while I cannot share this with the whole entire world, or else it simply wouldn't work for any of us, I can share it with a few of you here today and make some people very rich and very happy. So how much money are we talking about at the click of a single button? Well, let's go ahead and look at the last 3 months, guys, so you can see that it's not just something that might work for a few minutes. Profits come in steadily month after month. In March 2014, this system made me a whopping $1.8 million. And in April, the system made me over $1.8 million again. And last month, look at this. In May, I put in my pocket another $1.8 million. It's unbelievable. Almost $2 million a month. Now, while I don't claim to be the richest guy in the world, I surely feel like it sometimes because this is an insane amount of great fortune, and I can get most of the finer things in life because also I have free time to enjoy things with my family and friends now. Heck, people like that Facebook kid or Oprah or make way more than I do, but you know what? They're working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for it. When you make money working around the clock, you miss out on spending quality time with your friends and family. It just doesn't make sense to me. Now, what you have today is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity not only to turn into a millionaire overnight, but also to enjoy every single penny and absolutely enjoy your time with your friends and family. Live life to the fullest. Now, my system is so consistent at making this kind of cash that I've even got a message from the broker congratulating me and asking me how I'm doing it. And I have to tell you, it was an amazing feeling. I was finally rewarded after so much work and getting into so much debt. I will never forget what life was like. The stresses of living paycheck to paycheck, not having to pay rent anymore. Man, and it really made me realize the importance of paying it forward in my life. Now, this is why I'm here today. In the past, I've helped out my family members by giving them access to my software, but I wanted to do more and share the success with my family. They say there's nothing more fulfilling than giving back, and I totally agree with that. Now, at some point, there's only so much money you can make. Once you're financially free and you've bought yourself and your family everything you need, it becomes more about other people. My happiness moments in life have been when I saw the faces of my family members after I made them $15,000 in a minute flat with my system for the first time. Now, this is why I decided to open the doors to a very few amount of select people here today. And I've never met you guys in my life, and I want to give you access to my secret software. And you are one of them. Now, I want to share you my wealth of knowledge, and more importantly, let you in on one of the most powerful and well-guarded money-making softwares in the history of trading. For free. Yes, free. Now, money is not an issue. You've seen that with your own eyes. I have plenty. Now, in case you're thinking, Phil, this is great. Thank you for letting me on the secret, but I might not have enough money or experience in trading to start right now. Well, let me show you this again. Let me show you how my software works, how quickly you will build your wealth for yourself for absolutely nothing. You can start off with a tiny broker deposit of just $250, just like I did, just like my family did, and start right away at the push of a button and get the software going. Now, if you can click one single button once a day, then congratulations, you qualify. Sounds like you'll be in the money 15 minutes from now. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a little or no money to get started. It doesn't matter if you've never traded in your life. Folks, it doesn't matter if you don't have time to spend at the computer. As a matter of fact, it doesn't even matter if you're not familiar with any trading at all. You could be a seasoned trader or somebody who's never even placed a trade in your life. The results will be exactly the same, as the software will take care of everything for you. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need to know anything at all about trading, and you don't need to learn anything at all as well. You can still get $15,000 paydays exactly like we're doing. Now, you've seen over $45 million in my bank accounts. Now look at this ones of my dad, my wife, my sister, and even my brother. Now, they're not quite where I'm at yet, but they're already made over $1 million each and counting. Now, because this is the best part, I fully automated the system for all of us, so we don't have to do any of the tedious manual work, and best of all, neither do you. All of this was done 100% on autopilot with just a few clicks of the mouse while I'm sitting here talking to you. Amazing, isn't it? And yes, I'm prepared to put my time, my effort, and my money into making you a success story, and it's all for free. Now, everything is 100% free, guys. I don't want a single cent from you, and I would never ask you for any of your hard-earned money, profits, or anything like that, ever. I just don't need it. I make enough money on my own with this software, and tons of it. Now, as I said, I don't need your money, guys. I just want to see you succeed. So there's no catch, no strings attached. You just need to act right now, fast, and sign up on my recommended broker page on this form, on this page right now. Every single cent is yours to keep, and you can make millions of dollars and never owe us anything more than a simple thank you. Now remember, guys, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you. Register via this form on this page right now. If you can click your mouse a few times, you're ready to start making money. The amount of money you can make from this is totally up to you, guys. The sky's the limit. I've shown you solid proof on this webinar. Now, the amount of money you can make is really up to you guys. The sky is the limit. I've shown you solid proof. Plus, you'll get to see the software in action in the members area. Everything is there for you to see with your own eyes, updated in real time, so you get to see the traders trade, the money, and the software, and how it's making it, and as it happens right there, it's even third-party verified. But please, don't wait to get started, because I'm the only one going to offer you free access to get my secret software for a very limited time and a very limited amount of people, which means all the spots will be gone in the next few minutes. So do yourself a favor and get a free instant access to my software via this form on this page right now before all the 20 spots are taken. Now, you'll be immediately redirected to the members area, guys, where you'll get instant free access with the point-and-click software, as well as access to the live real-time trades and the software, and how it makes me money and other members, with full instructions on how to start making money within the next few minutes. Click on the free registration button on this page right now before the last few spots are taken, and I'll see you on the other side to get started.